Guys, welcome to Trading Kernel. In this video we're going to be looking at the Titan X Forex robot, which is currently available on Trading Kernel for a huge discount. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the installation, the review, the analytics, and how to use it. Alright, so we basically started testing this robot on Wednesday, and the Titan FX robot is a scalper system. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's a really good Forex robot, although it's not totally independent. Right, some cases there's some things you have to do, some modifications you have to do in order to ensure maximum profitability using this robot. Okay, so that's why we looked at all these modifications and decided to program everything into the profit log system. Okay, so the profit log system works hand in hand with the Titan X to ensure maximum profitability. So like I said, in the short we started this week around Tuesday or Wednesday. We started with 100 USD balance, and let me just go to our terminal so I can show you guys this. Okay, so let me go down here. You can see we started with $100 on the demo account, and so far we were making some profits and some losses with the Titan X Forex robots, as you can see here. Let me just show you guys this. Okay, all right, so you can see we're making some losses here, some profits, some losses, some profit as well. Right, so you can see, and so it was really good to some extent, but we had to do some modifications. All right, so you can see after the modifications was done and we initiated the profit log system, you can see the profits we're making so far with very few losses. Okay, it's like a straight system here. You can see the profits here. Okay, can see the profit, guys. Okay, so now basically have a profit of about $209 with deposit of $100 on the demo account. All right, but that isn't really the whole story. Okay, so we have an equity of $242 and the balance of $309, which means that we have made about 140% on this robot. Okay, we basically have two trades that are basically have some few trades that are ongoing, and I decided to leave these trades open because this is like one of the worst case scenarios you can have with this Forex robot. Okay, and I decided to leave it so that you guys can actually see you can actually see that even in the worst case scenario, it has very little potential of actually blowing your account. Okay, so you can see we have some trades here that are still open, and we're currently in a loss of about 67 USD. Okay, and we still have an equity of about 242 USD, which you should have, I'm going to go to my terminal here. Okay, so you can see basically here we have Euro USD, Audi USD, we have all our pairs here. Okay, so we have all our USD pairs here. For your installation, you should make sure it is as it is like this. Okay, so the Titan X Forex robot works more profitably on USD pairs. Okay, when you add it to a range of USD pairs, and with the profit log system, it ensures maximum profitability by opening a lot of trades and closing them in profit as well. Okay, so for the installation, this is the file you get when you install download the robot from Trading Kernel. Like I said, it's only available on Trading Kernel along with the profit log system. So we have the experts and the templates. All right, so just minimize this for now. Go to file, go to open data folder, and once you do that, go to your MKL4. You can see your expert directory. So we're going to open the previous folder which we downloaded from Trading Kernel. Okay, so we're going to go to experts. We're going to copy both files here. Okay, we're going to copy both files here, go to experts here, and then we're going to paste these files here. Okay, it's already there, but we're going to replace it. Okay, now we've done that, we're going to go to our templates. We're going to copy these two templates here. We're going to copy them. We're going to go to MKL4. We're going to go to back or more. We're going to go to templates, and then we're going to paste these files here. Okay, so I've pasted the files here. We're going to cancel out of these files here, File Explorer, and then we're going to go to our navigator. Okay, we don't really need to do that, but let's just do some refresh here. All right, so let's go to our USD pair now. Now USD pair, we just right click, go to templates, and then go to the Titan X. Okay, so we can see we've currently loaded this up. We made it like this, so it's going to be really easy for you to do the installation. Okay, so you can see, just go to Audi USD, go to templates, and click on the Titan X. Okay, so you do that for all the pairs. Remember, they are all on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, all of them are on the 15 minutes time frame, and that's how you should use it. Okay, the 15 minutes time frame here, you go to your templates, load the Titan X. All right, go to the templates, load the Titan X. Okay, so you can see we've loaded the Titan X on Euro USD, Audi USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and NZD USD. Okay, so we currently have Euro USD left, and for the Euro USD that's left, we're gonna load this. We're gonna load the profit lock. Okay, we're gonna load the profit lock, which is also the aggressive scalping assistant. All right, so you can see basically now we have the Titan X here. We have the Titan X loaded on Euro USD, Audi USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, NZD USD, and Euro USD. Okay, please do not trade the Titan X on other pairs apart from these current pairs that we are showing you right now. Okay, we haven't done tests on them, and there's a huge possibility that they might not work as well as this would work. Okay, so we currently have these pairs here. Now you can see UUSD, Audi USD, GBP USD, USD NZD USD, and Euro USD, and that's all you need to do. Okay, in order to start trading the software. Also make sure you have auto trading turned on. If it's not turned on, just go to tools, go to options, and click on allow automated trading. Okay, so once you do that, your auto trading should start right away. All right, but that's not all. Okay, that's not all. That's not the entire secret of this Forex robot. So let's go to my VPS and let me just show you something here. All right, so we're back on my VPS here, and what I want to show you guys is that the Titan X Forex robot is a robot that opens lots of trades, okay, and close them in profit, as you can see here. Okay, we have 0.5 profit, 0.15, 0.25, 0. You can see all the profits we made in in a matter of minutes. Okay, all right guys, so let's say you have a balance of 100 USD. Okay, you have a balance of 100 USD, and then you want to make about 50% of that. Okay, you want to make about 50%, which is about 150 USD. Okay, 150 USD, and all you need to do is just to install this Titan FX along with the profit lock system, the aggressive scalper system that we've actually showed you how to install. So once you do that, you just allow it to do its thing, allow it to trade, and then once your account balance gets up to $150, okay, you shouldn't just hurry up to close all the trades. Okay, that isn't the best option for you. So what you should do is that you should allow your account, let's say your account balance get up to about a 200 USD. Okay, allow your account balance get up to a 200 USD. Okay, where your account equity could be about around 130 USD. Okay, so once your account account equity gets up to 130 USD, all you need to do is to close out all these charts, okay, that has the Titan X Forex robot on. Okay, so you close out the Euro USD here, you close out the Audi USD here, close out GBP USD here, you close out the USD JPY, and then you close out the NZD USD. Okay, so once you close those out, you leave only the profit lock, the aggressive scalper system, to continue closing those trades that are left. Okay, you can leave it for a day, you can leave it for 2 days to continue closing out those trades. Okay, and then you're going to see your account equity grow up to, let's say, 170 USD. Okay, then you can actually now close the remaining trades that are left in the loss. Okay, so let's say, for example, on our VPS here, you can see we started with a balance of 100 USD. Okay, but as you can see here, we made up to 300 USD as a balance. Okay, but our account equity was at around 200 USD. Okay, so we closed out all the trades and allowed the equity to grow. Okay, so the equity has grown up to 242 USD now, and now we can actually now close out all the trades, okay, and have 242 USD as our balance. All right, because with Titan FX, the account equity will always be lower than the account balance. Many people don't tell you this, they just show you that they have an account balance of $1,000 and so, but the account equity is actually lower than that. All right, so you allow the account equity to grow by closing out the Titan FX and leaving the profit lock system to remain on your chart. All right, so that's the best way to trade it. We're going to be doing another live test with you guys hopefully on Monday. We're going to be starting with another 100 USD account, so we expect that to grow to about 150 USD or maybe 200 USD, and we're going to be doing live trading on this channel. So if you love this video, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and if you actually purchase this system, you can actually use it and send us comments and reviews of what you think about this system. All right guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.